Your boy Steve P here, getting ready to walk through this 81 unit building with a client. Been trying to sell it for quite some time. Got a real serious, interested party right now. So we're gonna take them through the vacant spaces and the common areas of this 81 unit. Pretty excited. All right, so Steve P here and with Martinique Petty, and we just got done walking through this 81 unit building at Windsor Court Apartments. Only 2 vacancies out of 81 units, very well maintained. We saw some opportunities for upside with building additional units, and there's definitely some upside within the rents. The buyers loved it, so we hoping we can put this deal together, man. And if you're interested in deals like this, or maybe not as big, or maybe bigger, click the link below. Let's book some time. Let's talk about how do you make some money in this crazy time that we're in, because there's definitely opportunity and you need to take advantage of it now. Peace.